Hi guys, I am Zephyr from Zephy Setups. Hope everyone is fine. Today video is based on beautiful natural home screen and I hope you all love it. Before starting the video, I have a little request to everyone. Subscribe my YouTube channel, also follow me on Instagram and Telegram. The link of the social accounts are added in the video description. Without any further delay, let's start the video. First, open any browser and go to my website, which is www.zephysetups.com. After opening the site, go to the backup file section and download the Aqua zip folder. From now, zip folder is protected with the password and the password is somewhere in the video. You have to watch the full video till end. After downloading the zip file, go back to the main screen, open ZArchiver and extract the folder like this one. After extracting, go to the Nova settings, open backup and restore, go to restore backup and select the backup file, then press OK. For applying the setup, you have to download two items. Number one is Floral Kustom Widget and number two is Creamy Icon Pack. Now hold the screen, tap on Wallpapers, open Pick Image, select the wallpaper from the same folder. Tap on it and set wallpaper to the home screen. Guys, the password of the zip folder is Aqua121. Now tap on the widget, open search and type 095 and select widget from Floral. Tap on it, open the layer, edit its scale to 150, then press OK. Now go to the globals, tap on accent, remove the text and type FFBD39B, then tap on apply. Now change the accent one color, remove the text and type FFCDE1A1, then tap on apply. Now go to the widget touch, tap on custom action, again tap and select disable block touch, then press save button. Guys, your setup is completely ready. Hope you all like it, and if you are new, subscribe my YouTube channel. Also share my channel to your friends who are customization lovers. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.